Hello friends, I'm here to teach you how to install NodeJs. This is one of the videos of my JavaScript tutorial series. I'm also going to teach you JavaScript in the meantime in my upcoming videos. For now, the first step to learn JavaScript, you have to download Node. Node is the runtime environment of JavaScript. So you have to search Node.js download and then come to download Node.js. Here we are having the current version of Node as 22. So now we go to Windows installer and it has been downloaded here. Let's wait for it to be done. When it's done, you have to click on it. It's preparing to install. It's computing our space requirements now. Okay, so now it's installed on will be installed on our computer. You have to accept the terms and conditions. Go next. Follow a path. I will let it be the custom path. These are the things that will be done. Add to path, online documentation shortcut, npm package manager, core package manager, and node.js runtime. These will be installed. We go again to next. We don't need any other tools for now, so we just go on next. As you click on install, it will begin to install. It's not a big deal. So it will take some time to install. I will cancel it because it's already installed in my computer. But for you, you don't have to cancel it. You have to let it be installed. Okay, so I will cancel it. And now to check if it is successfully installed or not, you have to go to your command prompt, and from there you have to search for npm v. You can see we have a node version here given to us, node version 22.11 and npm version 10.9. Alright, I won't tell you what npm is for now, but just remember that when these two commands have run successfully, it means that it is already installed. Node is already installed in your computer. Thank you. I will meet you in the next video.